Good day everyone. This video is about the clay modeling of neurulation and brain development. We are from group 12 and these are our group mates. Let's start with the neurulation. Neurulation is a process whereby the neural plate forms into a neural tube. It marks the beginning of the formation of the central nervous system and it begins in the region of the future brain, progresses caudally into the region of the future spinal cord. It starts with the presence of the notochord, which occupies the coelomic space between ectoderm and next, there will be a thickening of the area of cells called the neural plate. The lateral borders of the neural plate begin to migrate upwards to form the neural folds. Invagination of the neural plate will occur as a result of the signals from the notochord, which causes the edges to rise and form a neural groove. Later, the neural folds will fuse and pinch off to become the neural tube, and it will be the future brain and spinal cord. The cells of neural folds will detach, forming the neural crest, which will become the future peripheral nervous system, meninges, and other structures. And in the end of this process, we will have the surface ectoderm, the neural crest cells, neural tube, somites, and the endoderm. With that, it marks the end of the neurulation process. Let's go on to the clay modeling of the brain development. There are two stages in this brain development, which is the three primary brain vesicle stage. In this stage, there will be three chambers or vesicles, which we call the proencephalon, the forebrain, mesencephalon, the midbrain, and lastly the rhombencephalon, the hindbrain, following by a spinal cord. In the later stage, which is the 5 secondary brain vesicles, there will be a few addition of vesicles. First of all, we are going to have telencephalon, which is the future cerebrum, diencephalon, the thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus, mesencephalon, the midbrain, metencephalon, pons, and cerebrum, and lastly, the myelencephalon, the medulla oblongata, followed by the spinal cord. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.